In last video, we introduced a real-time risk management solution for portfolios consisting of linear combinations of investments. Today, we're taking it a step further. Let's build a risk model from scratch using DolphinDB. First, to get started, you need to install the DolphinDB API on your system. Install with a simple pip command. To avoid memory overload, we can enable streaming persistence by configuring persistence dir on the data node that publishes data streams. For email alerts, we use DolphinDB's HTTP client plugin. Install the plugin with this script. After setting up the environment, we need to create two types of in-memory tables, stream table and keyed table, to hold exchange data. Here's the reference script. Next, create subscriptions to these stream tables. Once the subscription is created, the subscribed data will be inserted to the corresponding keyed table with only the latest data retained. Then, to retrieve real-time exchange information, we integrate with the Python Binance library, establishing a connection to the Binance platform to extract account information and current market data feeds. The DolphinDB Python API then writes this data directly into stream tables for real-time processing. The core of our model is the compute portfolio risk indicator function we defined. It pulls exchange data every second, calculates risk metrics, and outputs results to the target output table. Up to this point, we are capable of subscribing to exchange data and calculating risk metrics in real time. Now, we will discuss how to persist the received account information and calculated risk metrics to DolphinDB database. We'll begin by creating two databases, storing account information and risk metrics, respectively. Once the databases and tables are created, we set up subscriptions to automatically write data from the stream tables into the DFS tables. To complete our risk management system, we implement clear visualizations and active monitoring. Using DolphinDB's built-in dashboard or integrating with tools like Grafana, we can create dynamic visualizations of all critical risk metrics. But we go beyond just visualization. The system actively monitors trading activity across all accounts against your predefined risk thresholds. And that's it. You've just built a high-performance, real-time risk management system with DolphinDB. For more risk management case studies or technical insights, reach out to us at sales@dolphindb.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on quant strategies and real-time analytics.